Hello, students. I am Satnam Singh, and welcome once again on my YouTube channel, Economics by Satnam Sir. Dear student, in 11th class, we have two books. First is Microeconomics, and second is Statistic for Economics. In this part of video, I was going to discuss the important concept of statistic first chapter, that is economic and non-economic activities. Before we start this video, I would recommend to all of you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Economics by Satnam Sir for very more upcoming video tutorials. Let's get start. Dear students, before we discussing the basic economic and non-economic activity, I will discuss here about important term which is very frequently used in economics. What is the meaning of consumer? Dear student, consumer is a person who consume goods and services for the satisfaction of his want. And who is producer? Producer is one who produce goods and services for the generation of income, for example, farmer or manufacturer. And third is a important term, service holder. Who is the service holder? A service holder is a person who work for some other person and get paid for it in the form of wages or salary, known as service holder. For example, doctor, engineer. And another term is service provider. Service provider is a person who provides services to society to earn money, etc. Example, doctors, scooter drivers, lawyers, bankers, transporters, etc. These are the terms which are frequently used in economics. And now we will discuss the today's important topic, the difference between economic and non-economic activity. What is economic activity? According to some writer, an economic activity means that activity which is based on or related to the use of scarce resources for the satisfaction of human want. And some other economists known economic activity refers to those activities which are undertaken to earn a living. For example, worker working in a factory, shopkeeper selling goods in his shop, doctor attending to patients in his clinic, etc. Economic activities are concerned with all those activities which are concerned with the production, consumption, distribution of goods and services, which are not available free. So, every economy should undertake three main economic activity. First is production. Production is basic economic activity. What is the meaning of production? Production is that economic activity which is concerned with the increasing the value or utility of goods and services. Or production refers to all activities which are undertaken to produce goods and services for generation of income and satisfying the human want. It is the process of converting raw material into finished products. Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurs are the four factors of production. The activities of farmers, carpenter, trader, teacher, doctor, shopkeeper, etc. all come under production. And second economic activity is consumption. What is the meaning of consumption? Consumption is that economic activity which is concerned with the use of goods and services for the direct satisfaction of individual and collective want. Consumption is an economic activity which deals with the use of goods and services for the satisfaction of human want. Eating of bread, drinking of milk, wearing clothes, listening music, etc. are consumption activities. And another economic activities is investment. And meaning of investment, investment is that economic activity which is concerned with production of capital good for the further production of goods and services. This is another economic activity. And another economic activities is exchange. Exchange basically that economic activity which is concerned with the sale and purchase of commodity in the market. And the last, another important economic activity is distribution. Distribution is that economic activity which deals with the determination of prices of factors of production, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurs. Distribution is that economic activity which studies how income generated is distributed among the factors of production. It deals with determining how the total national income arising from production process is distributed to land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurs in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit, respectively. So, dear students, this is an economic activity. And another activities around us we also known as non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are not concerned with the creation of money or wealth are known as non-economic activity. For example, housewife cooking for a food for her family or teacher teaching his own son is non-economic activity. Non-economic activity, there is no expectation of any kind of monetary rewards or benefit. They are inspired by sentimental reasons and are performed out of love, sympathy, patriotism, etc. Here we discuss some non-economic activity, for example, social activities and religious these activities, political activities, charitable activities, and parenting activities. These activities are under the category of non-economic activities. Charitable activities like blood donation camp, free education to needy students, social activities like get together, attending parties, political activities performed by different political parties, religious activities like praying out to God is a non-economic activity. Thank you very much, students watching this video. In my next video, I will explain about the meaning of statistic. This is the important topic of the statistic book. Thank you very much.